Kids normally don't like spinach or green, like
with vegetables. Like you. Welcome back to another episode of Munch. I'm Aaron Pua, and it's nice to see you guys again. Now today, I'll be sharing and doing something a little bit different. You remember the last episode? Gula Melaka Bay? Guess what? Dream come true, guys! Today, I'll be salt day! As I'll be preparing you a steak with two different sides to pair well with this dish, which is a stir-fried baby spinach and a cream of mushroom. You must be wondering, you know, hey mom, come help me cook, huh? Nope, not gonna happen today. Today, who's gonna cook alongside with me? Please welcome my dad. Alright,
he needs me, you know.
anyway, but today, to prepare the manliest dish, of course I gotta include my dad. So, alright, shall we introduce the ingredients? To prepare a steak, obviously you're gonna need the beef, the steak. Next ingredient, butter, rosemary and garlic. This is for your beef.
Okay, my turn. This sayur, baby spinach.
You're gonna need white button mushroom, salt and pepper.
Huh?
Cream.
Okay, cream.
That's pretty much what we need to prepare a steak with two sides. So, let's get going to the kitchen. We're done with the cream of mushroom. Alright, so basically what happened there just now was turn on the gas, make sure it's medium-high heat, drop in some oil, drop in the mushroom, and then right after that, you drop in your cream, let it simmer to light boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Right after that, drop in your salt and pepper. Pro tip here. So if you were to take the pepper first, the salt later, you will actually have some balance of pepper that will stay on your hand and it will actually drop into your salt, which is not very good because maybe you might want to cook something else later without the black pepper. You might get it. So always remember, salt first, then black pepper. Remember, you still got to let it simmer or cook it down for again about maybe 5 minutes. I personally like something like this. So it's a little bit thick, but you still get some gravy to actually go with your steak later. So just let this cool. We'll set this aside. We'll get back to this later. Here we have the spinach. Yeah.
Kids normally don't like spinach or green, like
with vegetables, like you.
Still, we need green, eh?
Yep. Fibers are important for your digestion. Very simple, just heat up your pan with a little bit of oil, medium to medium-high heat again. Drop in the spinach, salt and pepper right away. Then, goreng, stir fry. Basically until the vegetables soften a little bit and it's cooked. What we're going to do right now is actually put in a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm just going to do this up here so that you guys can see how we do this. So again, next pro tip, right hand, left hand. Right hand always touch the seasoning, left hand always the raw food, so you don't cross-contaminate or like the right hand go back to the saltness. We will start with the salt. Yes, just gently make sure it coats the beef. Left hand, so it's the right hand is clean.
Okay.
And then the other side. Once you got all the salt and pepper in, you're done. So we're gonna go to the frying pan, but first get your hands clean. So basically, you can grab a non-stick pan, heat it up to really hot temperature where you see this pan start smoking. Put in your oil, make sure you have an even layer of oil throughout the pan. The whole idea is to get an even searing on the entire surface of the steak. I like it medium rare, so it takes 20 seconds on each side. Then you take it out to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you bring your pan on again. Don't throw away the previous oil, let it stay. Then you add in butter, the rosemary and the garlic. Alright? So once the oil starts to have that fragrance of the rosemary and garlic, then you bring in your steak. Then you butter buff it. So you kind of like tilt your pan, spoon the oil slowly, let it do its job, cook the meat. Again, you can always use the spoon to actually press the meat a little bit to see the doneness that you want. You still got to let the meat rest about 15 minutes. The whole idea is that you let the juice kind of like stay inside. If you don't, you cut it right away, the juice will just come out and yeah, your meat is not going to be as delicious. So yeah, we are ready because mine has rested for about 15-20 minutes. So let's get to the chopping board. Look at that, beautiful, wow, pink in the center. That's what we want, the juice inside. Alright, so yep, we are ready and we are done. We can eat, but just before you eat, this is the reason why I brought you today. This is actually especially for you.
Oh, what?
Happy Father's Day.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
please enjoy. It's there for you and
oh yeah, I love this. Yes. Okay.
please. Yes.
Wow.
Oh yeah, so that's the whole purpose of today's video, the special occasion that I mentioned earlier. Wishing all of you fathers out there happy Father's Day. I hope your children or all kids, please, try to cook something for your dad today on this special occasion. Probably this is one of the recipes you want to try, and yep, as you can see, it's really enjoyable. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and a comment below, and please follow Munch, and happy Father's Day!
Thanks! Hey guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tantalizing videos you can munch on.